Welcome to Financial Education Club, Module 3, Step number 3. Alright, step number 1, we picked out a name for our business. Step number 2, we got our virtual office address. Now, in Module 3, our next step is to get a Business 800 number and get listed with the 411 directory. You must have a dedicated business phone number that is listed with 411 directory assistance under the business name, because lenders and creditors and even insurance providers will verify that your business is listed with 411. A toll-free number will give your business credibility, but you must have a local business number for the listing with 411 directory assistance. So you need a local number and you need an 800 number, and they need to be listed with 411. So when a company goes to give you credit, they're going to hit 411, and they're going to see if you're listed. So if you're in Greensboro, North Carolina, Bill's Mini Mart, they're going to hit 411. Ask for Bill's Mini Mart, Greensboro, North Carolina, and your number should pop up. And this is what builds credibility right here. These steps need to be mapped out. Now, I'm going to show you where you can get a toll-free 800 number for $2 a month. Call 8. The link is right here. But for $2 a month, you can have a toll-free 800 number, which gives your business credibility that you're a real business. And then you need to list this number with 411. And how you do that is a company called listyourself.net. You can do it for free right here. There are several ways. It's a paid way to list yourself. If you have the money to do that, fine. If not, list yourself right here. You can be found in 411 directory assistance. You can do it for free right through here. Again, it's listyourself.net and call 8 for the toll-free 800 number. So, step number 3, get your 800 number and get listed with 411 directory. So once you complete this step, you've got your business name, you have your virtual office address, and now you have just completed your toll-free number, and you're listed with 411 directory. Your business is starting to get off the ground now and building credibility. We're still far away from this, but we're getting there. All right, I'll see you on step number 4.